I think I got the prettiest fabric ever. Let me show you this floral one. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It took me so long to find a fabric like this, and it's also, the price is also very reasonable. So beautiful. The price is also really reasonable. About 3 meters for how much? $7? My inspo today is this Carmen dress from House of CB. It is really pretty, very cottage core. Alright, I finished cutting the pieces. So this is back center, and I have pinned these on so that the string can go through to cinch the waist. And this is our other pieces, and these are the boning channel, and these two the pieces for chest. So now I'm going to sew these top pieces together. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. The only thing I'm not so sure is this chest piece, because I don't know. We'll see. I hope it will, you know, fit, but we'll see. I didn't film the bottom part because no es importante. You guys, nothing more need to be said. This is perfect. I can totally see myself wearing this, wandering around. So cute. By the way, guys, these are the flowers that I bought 2 days ago. Guess how much these are? Guess, okay? In 3, 2, 1, $1.50. Yup, $1.50 for all of these. Pretty cool, isn't it? Actually, it wasn't fresh flowers. It was like maybe 30% or 40% dead. So I searched online how to take care of these flowers, and now they are good, right? This is me running out of vase, so and this is ridiculous, I know, but even though they fall off, but they're so beautiful, so I literally put them in a bowl. Aesthetic.
The next day.
Today we're making another blue dress. So let's see the fabric first. I got this really pretty pastel blue. It's very soft, and this is going to be the base layer. On the top I have another blue. This is organza. Also a really pretty pastel blue. Here's what it looks like, a single layer. So this going on top of the other fabric. I saw this dress on Pinterest, and this is my inspo. I figure if I make a blue version of this, it's going to be really pretty, like a little fairy. So let's get started. It's going to be pure luck if it turns out just exactly as the inspo picture, you know, because I have no idea if the ratio is correct. I just did it. So finger crossed. So the next step, I'm going to gather them. I'm going to hem the bottom as well. Oh my god, so much thing to do. Also my place again like a mess, even though it's a mess, but it's a blue mess. Blue is my favorite color. It brings me calm, peaceful, makes me relaxed. I use ironing tape to hem the bottom. Just sandwich it in the middle and hot steam on it. And then it's gonna turn out nice and crisp. So that's what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I also sewed the layers of organza on the base and then managed these two rectangles on the dress like a little bow. Let's see the result.
She was a fairy.
Next is also a floral fabric. It's giving grandmama's thermal underpants. The inspo is Dolce & Gabbana Spring Summer 2017. Okay, so I cut out A, B, C, D pieces for the top and a shape like this for the chest area. The top is actually very similar to the first dress, and the bottom is just pencil skirt plus ruffled tiers. I made this rectangle shape and used my earrings, because I don't have other rings, turned it into this little bow. Now here's the review. I'm going to give this dress a 11 out of 10. Yes, that's how much I liked it. This dress turned out so good. It's like a surprise because I never wear a dress like this kind of style, you know? It's giving tropical country, it's giving Italian summer, you know what I mean. Anyway, comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. I really enjoy reading the comments. It makes me feel like you guys are my friend on the other side. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it. Have a great day. I will see you guys in my next